Hi guys, today we're going to do type 2 binary nomenclature again, this time with practice sheet number 2, problem number 2, and we're going to explain how to do it. We're going to go from the formula to the name. So again, when we're doing from the formula to the name with type 2, we have to figure out the charge of the metal, the type 2 metal. And first of all, make sure it's a type 2 metal, and then go ahead and figure out the charge of that. We do that by going backwards from the nonmetal. So we're going to start off over here with nitrogen. And if I looked at nitrogen and I got to find that. So I have an N. And again, if I go to my periodic table, the N says nitrogen's right here. So nitrogen is that. If we go to this, we'll find nitrogen. It is a -3. So let's go back to this. So we know that nitrogen is a -3. Well, I only have one nitrogen. So my overall charge for nitrogen is a -3. Since I have a -3 times 1 equals a -3, which means that my charge for my iron, my overall charge, must be a +3. Okay, so that must be a +3, and because they need to cancel each other out. So what's the charge of the iron? Well, if I have 3 iron, my overall charge is +3. I'm going to take my +3 divided by the number of irons I have, which is 3, which means my overall charge for iron is going to be +1. Okay, so that would be my Roman numeral as long as iron is a type 2. So let's go back and look at this right here. Iron is in this area right here. Okay, so that means that it is in the blue. That means it is type 2. So we'll go back to it, and we're going to just name this now iron 1 nitride. So we're just going to put in iron in our parentheses, 1 Roman numeral for 1, and then nitrogen, which we changed to nitride. There is our name for Fe3N, iron 1 nitride. Good luck with the rest of them, guys.